Replacing diesel fuel with biogas has important benefits for dairy farmers and our communities. Biogas reduces harmful greenhouse gas emissions that cause climate change. Biogas cuts down on air pollution from diesel emissions. And biogas reduces our dependence on fossil fuels, making us more energy independent. You may have heard about dairies that produce electricity from biogas. But California dairy owner Rob Hilardes has taken another huge step in renewable energy, using biogas from his dairy manure to fuel his trucks.
For us, it made sense to look into this kind of a system because we haul a lot of our own product. And we are powering a couple of our trucks, hauling 4 loads a day of milk from here to Hillmar, California. We also are operating some of our pickups that operate on the dairy here on compressed gas, and we're looking at possibilities for the future because we're not utilizing the plant to its full potential as yet.
Manure from the dairy's freestalls is flushed to a covered lagoon digester, where bacteria convert vital solids into biogas, which is captured by the lagoon covers.
The separation ponds are cleaned out 3 or 4 times a year. The solids that accumulate in there are largely undigestible, fibery type material, and we'll take that out in the summertime and sun dry it and use that for bedding. The flow of digestible liquid then goes under this covered lagoon. You'll see the little pump house there. There's also one on the north end that has a vacuum pump in it, and that draws the gas out from under the cover and blows it over to the generator area.
Electricity generated on site is used to run the dairy, reducing demand for power from the state's electrical grid. Biogas is piped from the digester to an upgrading system, where carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, and other impurities are removed, yielding clean-burning biomethane. The trucks were custom fitted to operate on the biomethane fuel. Special fuel storage tanks were installed inside the sleeper cabs.
It's actually as different as night and day. Diesel, you have a compression-ignited engine. Cow power running on purified biomethane requires a spark-ignited engine. It's basically like the difference between diesel and gasoline. Basically, we had to find somebody who was willing to do the conversion of the electronic system to integrate that ISLG Cummins engine into this Peterbilt 389 chassis.
Rob Hilardes is on his way to becoming energy independent and protecting the environment we all depend on. With manure from his dairy cows, he is producing a renewable fuel that is much more effective than ethanol from corn. The biomethane system on the Hilardes dairy eliminates diesel emissions from the trucks and cuts greenhouse gas emissions from the manure. It's good for the dairyman, and it's good for all of us.